What is going on outside? What the fuck is going? Well, I guess the Volvo is working fine. Complaints, I see complaints.
Hi.
Hi.
Well, it's coming up to Christmas, and I'm not that into Christmas, but I'm into, you know, flames and breaking shit. So let's break shit in a Christmas style.
Merry Christmas, motherfucker.
Sorry it's not any brighter, but the light on the top of the GoPro is so fucking bright it was killing me. So you'll have to do with the shit interior light for now. Yeah, basically today the Volvo has massively fucking redeemed itself. Like, I fucking love it now. Tonight, yeah. So while I was about to either break it or sell it because the MOT's nearly up, I'm now thinking, because it took a fucking beating tonight and didn't give a shit, that I re-MOT it and just carry on using it until the MX-5's ready. I think the engine might be dying because finally the exhaust was smoking a bit and stuff, and it's never done that before. But considering this has done 250,000 miles and it's running 2.2 bar boost on stock bottom end, it's whatever. But yeah, it might be dying, but so what? If it dies, it dies. I've got 5 more engines, I think. 4? 2 litres, I mean, not even them 2.5, so I'm doing just another stock 2 litre be thrown straight in it. So yeah, honestly, I fucking loved it tonight. Car's handling great, goes like fuck, sounds mental, hasn't broke, has started okay. Can't ask for much more. I even had I even took it to dropped off a couple of parcels in it earlier that I had to send, so I had to go to one of the shops locally to drop it off for UPS. And I come outside and there was an old couple like walking around it, fucking admiring it. Not admiring it, but like checking it out. And they was like, oh, what is it? I was like, it's a Volvo. She's like, oh, I thought it was a old Cortina. I said, no, Volvo. But yeah, and yeah, they was liking it. Whatever. Either way, I hope you enjoyed this video, because I fucking enjoyed making it, because I love driving like a dickhead. It's kind of what I'm good at. So, see you next time.